Front double bicep stop. Relax. Front lat spread. Relax. Side chest into one side top muscle. Relax. Back double biceps with your hamstring and top muscle. Relax. Back lat spread. Relax. Side triceps.
என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? இல்ல என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க?
Relax. Abdomen thigh muscle.
Relax பாருங்க.
Relax. Thank you.
Relax. Front largest muscle. Relax. Side chest with the calf muscle. Relax. Back double biceps with the calf muscle. Relax. Back latissimus muscle with calf muscle. Relax. Up side triceps with the calf muscle. Relax. Abdominal with thigh muscle. Relax. Music.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, unlikely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me.
Thank you, bodybuilders.
Fourth place in this category goes to truck number 82 R Sriman.
Come past this.
Sriman from Coimbatore. Bronze medal goes to truck number 84, Dileepan from Kanjipuram district. Silver medal goes to truck number 83, Jayaprakash from Tirupur district. Thank you. Gold medal goes to truck number 81 R. Ilankavi from Chengalpattu district. Thank you bodybuilders. By line up பண்ணிக்கோங்க.